Okay, so this is for my client. So I'm walking in, and this is actually 601, and so I just want you to see what it looks like. You walk in, and this is a really pretty two-bedroom. You walk in, and here's what it looks like. And by the way, this is your leasing consultant, Mallory. She's doing really all the hard work. So this is for Nick and Tommy, actually. So. Hey, so anyway, okay, so you can see here what it looks like. First of all, the kitchen's really cute. Great kitchen here. You're gonna have plenty of room to put your dishes and things like that. There's some great storage that's over here too. So this is awesome. You've got good flooring here as well, so it's really pretty. It looks really pretty too. And then of course you've got these amazing floor-to-ceiling windows. The floor-to-ceiling windows are true floor-to-ceiling windows. You got some spectacular views. And then the ceilings here are concrete. So it's kind of a cool loft feel, but it's soft. It's not like that hard, like an old building kind of feel. But anyway, let's go into one of the bedrooms so you can see it. This is the bedroom, and you can see just continued views, continued windows, really light and bright. It just feels great in here. You can put your, I'd say queen, that and then maybe if you did it against the window, you could put, something maybe kingish, but at least queen. Mallory, could this fit a king, do you think?
For sure, yeah.
Okay,
We're all
good.
set up to have queen sets, so like queen size bed and two nightstands. King definitely will work. It was probably gonna have like
One nightstand. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay, there you heard it. So you could do a king in there. That's awesome. This is the bathroom, so you can see it. And heck, even in the bathroom, now you do have blinds that can go down and give you more privacy, of course. But I do like it that you have even the windows in the bathroom. That's really, really nice. So that's your bathroom. This is what it looks like. This is gonna be a great two-bedroom for y'all to enjoy and move here and meet people. This is gonna be awesome. You're gonna love this. This is amazing. So this is the second bedroom, and look at this balcony. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Balcony, baby. Here we go. Balcony, so balcony with views. And so this is a Victory Park area. It's a fantastic area. This is about 12 noon, so right now it's just not a ton going on, but it's sunny, beautiful, and you're gonna love it. So you're gonna have incredible walkability all around here, and you can fit a couple of chairs, by the way, on that. This is another good-sized bedroom. You can easily fit a king in here, no question. Easily fit the king. And then here's your closet right here, and then you walk in, and this is what the bathroom looks like. And you've got a walk-in shower in this, so this is great. Love this walk-in shower, and it's just a great feeling here. So I hope you love it like I do. I think this is a great apartment to start your Uptown Dallas Victory Park adventure with. It's amazing. And then check out the videos we've already done for the amenities. We've seen all that. And actually, Mallory was helping us with that too previously. So anyway, great apartment, y'all. You need to get it, okay? Hope you enjoy it. The price is right, and the area is great.